What to do with old bras? Bras are one of the essential garments women need in their daily lives. However, as much as we'd like to keep them forever, their quality diminishes over time with frequent usage, and many women do not know what to do with them. Recycle your bras. Recycling is one of the best things we can do with old pieces of garments. Here are some smart recycling ideas you can do on your old bras. Padding for shoe soles. Paddings are supplemented foams in bras added for breast support or even emphasis. Some pads can be removed from the bra framework readily, and these will work just fine for your shoe size adjustment. Convert the straps into a bracelet. Find a good old bead, pendant, or trinket, and slip on the straps to make it aesthetically appealing. Transform old bras into a purse. Gather all your glitters, glues, and decorations to craft those posh purses for your next gatherings. Use it as a playball for pets, dogs and cats, for example. Love frolicking with soft and squishy pieces of stuff they can handily bring wherever they want. Donate your old bras for a cause. The issue of homeless and less fortunate women's struggle to access underwear is real. This is why, if you do have spare bras that you do not use that are still hygienic, it is best to donate them. Here are some of the programs you can tap to for donations. Free the Girls. This is an organization created for women survivors of breast cancer, donating and group outreach work entirely to uplift their morale, especially those who are in marginalized communities. The donations the team accepts are integrated into programs where these survivors can engage and then mobilize them to start their businesses, eventually using these secondhand clothes. I support the Girls' Cry. This organization is born from the cause of helping less privileged girls, women, and LGBTQ+ members who are unfortunately residing in refugee camps and homeless institutions. Trade your old bras for better ones. Several business establishments offer trade options so you can get a new bra or refurbish the old one that you have. Here are some establishments that you can visit for this. Malls, shops. You can go to your local shops, such as retailers that can customize your old underpinnings into stylish ones. In this way, you do not have to worry about putting your sewing skills first in place. Talk to the specialists in the way you want them to be. Boutiques Aerie devised a mechanism where donations can incur a 15% discount on the customer's next purchase. The bra recyclers connived with Harper Wilde, on the other hand, such that you can ship your old bras to the store for retrofitting. Old bras are not lost cause. There are plenty of ways you can make use of them. You can recycle, donate, or trade them. Not only do you do yourself a favor by decluttering, but you are also helping less fortunate individuals and the environment. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.